What's up YouTube, ZBABasshead here, and I got an update for you guys. Got these yesterday. They are dual 6.5 three-way speakers. They're the Illuminate version, like series. 140 watts, max peak, don't really give a crap about that. And they're 4 ohms at 50 RMS. And that's just good enough for my 4 channel. I'm most likely gonna be powering these two so they'll have that LED glow, because I want my vehicle to glow all blue, because that's what most of my stuff glows. I have blue LED fans, I have Hyphonics Brutus amp that has blue LEDs on it. I'm guessing all Hyphonics LEDs are blue, and I don't know, my voltmeter's blue, and yeah, I want to get some LED strips, and then my plan was to mount them under the car too, like, yeah, and under the dash, so I'm gonna have like a lot of LEDs kind of ish. I just wanna show you guys this. Show you when I get it out. Here, just a second. Okay, here it is. One has the LED and the speaker terminals. Got these off my sister because she wanted some 6-inch speakers and she wanted to trade for her 6.5s, and I didn't know what kind of speakers she was talking about, but I gave her my orange mids. She just wanted some that could fit under her door, and her rears, her Infinity series 6x9s were already really loud, so the ones for her door, she just wanted them to fit because her Infinity door speakers were a bit small. She wanted them to fit right in there. I guess they liked them because they didn't want these back. They just installed my orange mids, well, that were mine, and yeah, I was wondering if they were gonna fit too, and I was wondering if she's gonna come back and like, oh, they don't fit, so I kinda want my speakers back, but no, she never did that. I already opened this one, because I didn't know what kind they were, and the other one I opened too. Comes with mounting clips, screws, and wire adapters for these little prong things. And they got the LEDs are there. Just 4. Has nice magnet on it and a motor. I was thinking about making a box for these, because whichever vehicle I get, I know they might or they won't fit in the door. And I don't know, maybe I'll have to construct the door, like just take it apart, get some fiberglassing done, or get help from a bro, like, I don't know, somebody that knows fiberglassing that can help me out. And that's whenever I get a vehicle, but no, I can't do that. Just they work on it and then I send them money through PayPal or through mail. They send the custom fiberglass door for the vehicle, but I think you might need the vehicle for the exact measurements. I don't know. I'll get there though, like say I build an enclosure for this. That'll still work though, cause I have these. I don't know, what are these, like? Three 4-inch long ports? Yeah, about 4 inches, maybe. If I make a little enclosure, I could have these on there, but would a little port like this even make a difference for these 6.5s? I'd still go with it sealed too, it'd be pretty awesome, but yeah, I'm just rambling on. But these are pretty tight. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna be using these and tweeters since I have no other mids, but I'm still gonna use these. Front of the seat, here's a beast. So I'm kind of thinking I might need another 4-channel. And these tweeters, well, I hooked them up to the computer, and this other one, it works pretty tight. I think it might just be the amplifier, like when you overpower it, when you don't have it tuned, and it gives like an ugly bass sound coming out of it, so I need to get some capacitors on there or get a crossover on those ASAP so I can look for some other stuff. It's kind of a long ending, but this is like just kind of a short video. And yeah, this is ZB Basshead. If you enjoyed my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, become Basshead Bro today, and yeah, leave a comment if you feel like it. Leave a comment on what should I do, like should I build a little enclosure for this for now, because I have a lot of wood left. I could get constructing on that right away. But yeah. So, yeah, this is got nothing else to say. This is ZB Basshead. Peace.